Get ready with a Gay Igbo Man who is juicy, glowy, sexy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, divinely protected by my ancestors, doing what needs to be done. I am here speaking for all the queer African people who cannot speak for themselves yet. We are representing, we are doing visibility, we are speaking the truth. This is a movement for representation, truth, and visibility. We are the light. We will continue to live our lives no matter what. Let's get into this outfit quickly. I am wearing this oldie tank top. I can't remember the name of this brand. I really do apologize. This denim pants is from AS Clo. I've had this for years. I don't know what's been happening this week. I just thinking of outfits that I haven't worn in a while. I repeat my clothes. I am not going to always buy something new. We are going to wear them because we spent money on them. So these jeans, trousers from AS Clo, really good. I always dress how I feel and where my mood takes me to. So today we are doing these trainers from this squared. I have not worn this in a while. This is from Weekday. Yes. These two rings, these two bracelets, this pearl, my wristwatch from Tissot, these sunglasses from Loewe. We are going to come back to this later. Vanilla 28 by K. Ali, Mia and Tonka from Joe Malone. This Bao Bao bag from Isimiyaki. Thank you so much for getting ready with me. If you have watched up until here, let us know what you think in the comment section. Listening to Igbo Queer and Unfiltered. The podcast is released every Tuesday. You can listen to the podcast on every podcast platform you listen to your podcast on. Subscribe to the African Gay Igbo vlog channel. Have a wonderful time. I will see you in the next one.